Good day everyone, I'm Brian T. Anino, 21 years old from Bitanagan, Butuan City. Currently taking course Bachelor of Science in Agriculture, major in Agronomy in Ampayon, Butuan City. My summary in myself is results-driven agronomy professional with a strong foundation in agriculture and passion for sustainable crop production, proven ability to analyze complex problems, develop effective solutions, and implement best practices in agronomy. Skilled in crop management, soil science, and agricultural research. With a keen interest in improving yield, reducing environmental impact, and promoting sustainable agricultural practices. Possesses excellent communication and teamwork skills, with the ability to work effectively in fast-paced environment and adapt to changing priorities. My experience is research assistant in conducting field experiment and collecting on the crop yields and soil health. Analyze and interpreted data using statistical software. Intern in Gias Farm, gain hands-on experience in crop management and irrigation pest controls. My certificate is seminar is lowland and farm area practices. Thank you.